they just don't strew some chicken foot. Okay, next, so these are chicken foots, some chicken neck. That's a little quick cook. 2 couple piece of chicken back. Alright. So I'm gonna add a little jerk seasoning. No, all-purpose seasoning, sorry about that. Some all-purpose seasoning. Dry rub. Rhoden. A little garlic powder. And just a quick thing. Some salt. So a little salt, a little 1/2 teaspoon. Then I'm gonna use a little browning. I'm doing brown stew. Just a little. Don't want it too dark. Rub it in. Yeah, so that is my dry rub. Yep. A little quick cook. You know. Streaming live from Boston, Massachusetts, you know. Yeah, so this is my run through. Alright, this is my pot over here. So here I have some seasoning cut. I'm ready to add to my brown stew, but not as yet. So this is my attire. So I'll bring things a little closer. Yeah, so this is the pot in my attire. Quick brown stew. Streaming live and cooking some brown stew chicken with the back. I'm just tenderizing the meat. I'm not frying it, I'm just tenderizing it. I'll add some water. That's a little. now I will add my onions, peppers, tomatoes, scallions, thyme, brown throwing down chicken back, chicken foot, and chicken neck, quick and easy. Not much. Chicken back, neck, and foot will cook. It won't take long. Some rice over here I'm cooking. Yeah. So this rice is ready. Quick pot. Shelly rice, you know. Not too wet, not too dry. So that's my rice. Ready. Bones, stew, chicken back, chicken foot, chicken neck. Dapper me a stream live. Can't talk to you now. Stream it. So every thought it I cut off. Sorry. Yeah man, just cook down some ground stew, chicken back, chicken foot and chicken neck, which is right. Need some rice and quick pot. Steve, I'm streaming live with my chicken back, chicken foot and chicken neck. I'm streaming.
My coworker was just talking about chicken fish. She's Jamaican too. She was like, Steven, have you ever had chicken fish? I said, no, I haven't.
You want to taste it when I finish with it? I'll give you one. I know you don't fancy those things. I'll give you one.
I'll eat tons of fish.
Oh, the fish you like. I know the fish again. I'll give you some. That's Steven. Streaming live from Boston, Massachusetts, United States of America. When you are in America, you have to cook your own food. You don't get something to buy. You won't get this to buy. Nowhere. You have to cook it. Yeah. All right. Big up all of my fans, family, subscribers. You know when the chicken foot is cooked, like squeeze on it, alright? Hot. You can cook it to the fork as well. These things are easy to cook. Soon as this simmer, once it's done, Ellen, you ever eat chicken foot? Have you ever eaten chicken foot? Chicken neck? Chicken back? You eat chicken, right? So you're not eating those parts of the chicken. Anyway, that's what I'm cooking. Chicken neck, chicken back, chicken foot. The part of the chicken that you never eat. It's delicious. Yes, that's a good part. Amy, what do you have to say about my pot? Come, say something, man.
What?
This is Amy, the chef. You can't let us see you, but say something. What do you think about my chicken back, chicken foot, and chicken neck pot?
That looks good.
You gotta eat up chicken foot or two?
Yeah.
You never eat chicken foot before.
Yeah, huh?
You eat chicken foot before?
Yeah.
All right. The other day, Andy Artist was streaming live and he was asking a lady. And this is why a lady said, yes, eat chicken back.
Wow.
It's good. Yeah, she was talking about chicken back. And she said, yes, I eat chicken back. It was good. It was delicious. Quick and easy. All right, so I gotta show what I use. I use piece of green pepper. I use tomato. I use a piece of yellow pepper. I use a piece of red pepper. This is a piece of orange pepper. Okay, so this is what makes it look colorful. I'm just showing you what I use to season my chicken. I use scallion. I use thyme. I use pepper. So I use pepper, hot pepper. These, the yellow, green, red, and orange pepper. This pepper is not hot. I call it seed pepper. I don't know what they call it, but because it is not hot, we call it sweet pepper. This one is hot. Call it hot pepper. I use some grace browning. I don't want the meat white when it cooks, so I use a little browning, grace browning. I use some garlic powder because I didn't use any pegs of garlic, so I use the powder. I use some all-purpose seasoning. This is something from Jamaica, all-purpose. It have a mixture of all the herbs and spice in it, so this is what I use. And a little salt, table salt, that's all I use. Brown through my chicken back, neck, and foot. So this is just an insight of what I use. Yeah. So back to the pot. Yes, so just give this like meat is cooked. Just want my gravy to go down a bit thicker. I don't like when the gravy long water, I like when it thick. And so the rice up on standby, so basically this pot is ready to eat. Quick and simple and easy. And then my chicken foot is cooked. The chicken is cooked. The neck is cooked. I have a lot of chef. I have a lot of chef out there watching this. A chef friend like Alexander Knight. It's way big. And the artist. Jeremy. They've got to tell me, oh Troy, you didn't do this right, you didn't do it wrong. I try my best. Yeah, this is ready. Okay. So, this is my rice. I'm sharing a plate. Alright. So, This is a piece of chicken back. This is a neck. This is the next neck. Here comes the chicken foot. So I'm sharing this plate. Oh, it's not sure. All right. Yes, so. This is spinning. It is done. Consider it done. So this is my plate. Just want a little sauce. This is not the right spoon. So that's it. Quick little cook. Ready to eat. Take a taste. See what's going on here. Yep. Delicious. Well, thank you all for watching. That was my quick cook on my chicken foot, chicken back, and chicken neck. And that's it.